Story 27. It once happened that on a journey to the Hijaz, a company of young and pious men whose sentiments harmonized with mine were my fellow travelers. They occasionally sung and recited spiritual verses, but we had with us also Abid, who entertained a bad opinion of the behavior of dervishes and was ignorant of their sufferings. When we reached the palm grove of the Beni Halal, a black boy of the encampment, falling into a state of excitement, broke out in a strain which brought down the birds from the sky. I saw, however, the camel of the Abid, which began to prance, throwing him and running into the desert. Or was it Abid? Servant. Knowest thou what the matutinal bulbul said to me? What man art thou to be ignorant of love? The Arabic verses through a camel and ecstasy and joy. If thou hast no taste, thou art an ill-natured brute. When a camel's head is turned by the frenzy of joy, and a man does not feel it, he must be a donkey. When the winds blow over the plain, the branches of the ban tree bend, not hard rocks. Whatever thou beholdest, chants his praises. He knows this who has the true perception. Not only the bulbul on the rosebush sings praises, but every bramble is a tongue extolling him. And see, we don't see God by viewing the creation, but we see the power of God by viewing the creation.